In this video, I'll guide you through how to cancel meetings in Google Calendar, whether you scheduled a one-time event or a recurring meeting. Knowing how to properly remove it helps keep your calendar clean and avoids confusion for everyone involved. I'll walk you through the exact clicks you need to make and explain what's happening along the way so you feel confident doing this on your own. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. If you're not already signed in, log into the Google account that you use for your calendar. It's important that you're in the correct account, especially if you manage multiple calendars for work, school, or personal use. Once you're signed in, you'll see your Google Calendar view, which might be set to day, week, or month. Any of these views will work for cancelling a meeting, so use whichever you're most comfortable with. Next, find the meeting you want to cancel. You can scroll to the correct date or use the arrows at the top to move between days, weeks, or months. When you see the event on your calendar, move your mouse over it and click on the meeting event. This will open a small pop-up window with the event details. If you need to double check you've got the right event, look at the title, date and time, and the list of guests if there are any. This is a good moment to make sure you're not accidentally cancelling the wrong meeting, especially if several events have similar names. With the event details open, look for the option to delete the event. Depending on your screen size and layout, you'll usually see a trash can icon or a button that says delete or delete event. Click on that. When you do, Google Calendar may ask you to confirm that you want to delete the event. If it's a one-time meeting, you'll typically just confirm that you want to remove it. If the event is part of a recurring series, like a weekly team meeting, Google Calendar might ask whether you want to delete just this one occurrence or the entire series. Take a moment here to think about what you actually want to cancel. If only a single upcoming meeting is no longer needed, choose to delete just that event. If the whole series is no longer relevant, choose the option to delete the entire series. This helps you avoid accidentally wiping out future meetings you still plan to hold. After you confirm the deletion, the meeting will disappear from your calendar. If there were guests invited, Google Calendar will usually send them an automatic email letting them know the event has been cancelled. This saves you the trouble of notifying everyone manually and helps ensure people don't show up for a meeting that no longer exists. That's all there is to it. You go to calendar.google.com, click on the meeting event you want to cancel, and then click delete event, confirming your choice. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a quick, almost automatic part of managing your schedule.